Yeah, we got the opportunity to, we got asked to come alongside a young and established to talk to them about the automotive industry a little bit, but mostly what we're here for is to educate them about how to take care of their vehicle. Usually the second biggest investment you're going to make is in a vehicle, so we want to teach them what that's about. We also going to get them excited about some of the stuff that we're doing and having some fun at the shop, and hoping to let them come out and just meet the crew and see what we do, and hopefully maybe come in the industry, but if not, at least be able to take care of their vehicle.